Okay, so we are doing some review before we get back into the swing of things. We're doing real life application of stoichiometry, and we're using that with recipes, which we did to prepare for our lab. This is going to be for the first set of problems. It's a famous broccoli cheddar soup. We're doing 4 servings. So the most important thing when we do solve these problems is checking how many servings are in each of the recipes. We want to use our same dimensional analysis setup, our given unit in the top left and bottom right so that they cancel out, our desired unit in the top right, and then we want to multiply across and divide by the bottom. Okay, so if I look at the first one, it says how many cups of broccoli are needed to make 100 servings of soup. So I am given 100 servings of soup, and I want to figure out how many cups of broccoli are needed. Okay, so I'm going to do my setup based off of that, and I need to reference. So for number 1, it's asking me for cups of broccoli. I know that I need 4 cups of broccoli in order to make 4 servings of soup. So I'm going to use that in my setup. So I did my little T-chart setup. I plug in my given unit here, my given number. So 100 servings. That means servings goes at the bottom right because it's my given unit. And I want my answer to be in broccoli, so I'm going to put that in the top right, broccoli. Okay. I check my recipe to see what I need to plug in. I know for every 4 servings, it requires 4 cups of broccoli. Okay. So then from there, I multiply across, then divide by the bottom. So that will be 100 times 4 divided by 4. My servings divide out. I'm left with cups of broccoli. You guys remember my right hand blocks everything, or my left hand, sorry. 100 times 4 divided by 4. That's going to be 400 divided by 4, which simplifies to 100 cups of broccoli. Okay. Number 2, it asks how many tablespoons of unsalted butter are needed to make 12 servings of soup. So what am I given? Remember, my given always has a number next to it. So if I look at my problem, it says I am given 12 servings, okay? And I want my answer to be in tablespoons of unsalted butter. Sorry about like my bad highlighting. So I'm going to do my setup now, and I need to check my recipe to figure out what amount of butter is needed to make 4 servings of soup, because my original recipe makes 4 servings of broccoli cheddar soup. So if I look at my recipe, it tells me that I need 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter to make 4 servings of soup. I'm going to plug in my given. My given was 12 servings. My given unit is servings, so my given unit goes in the top left and in the bottom right, so I'll write down servings here. I want my answer to be in tablespoons of unsalted butter. So I'm just going to shorten it and put tablespoons of butter. What I looked up in my recipe goes here and here. I know my recipe makes 4 servings. I know that I need 6 tablespoons of butter. My servings divide out. I multiply across 12 times 6 divided by 4. Again, 12 times 6 divided by 4. And my answer is in tablespoons of butter because my servings divided out. 12 times 6 is 72 divided by 4 still. And this is still in tablespoons of butter. 72 divided by 4 is 18 tablespoons of butter. It's a lot of butter. but a lot of soup. Okay, I hope that was helpful for everyone, those 2 practice problems that I did / review problems. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on Google Classroom, and I will go over and respond as quickly as I can. Work through these problems. They're all 1 step. They should be pretty simple. Multiply across, divide by the bottom. Remember to check the servings. The servings is always going to be listed next to the title of the recipe. Okay?